This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation coming to you from the studio and home base for the headquarters. As you guys can see on the screen here, we need to get the J. Murray home, and the ways you can help us get her home. As you can see, this flyer is to help bring J. Murray home, and we will be set up this year again like we were last year at New Mexico Heritage Railroad Days 2025 with a booth. We'll have our merch on display, but we won't have anything available to buy, but you can get it on the store, but we'll show you what we have available on our merch store, so that way you'll see what we have. That way you know what we have to offer. We'll have our shirts on display, mug, hat, everything you can think of on display. We're going to have pictures for sale. This time we're going to go a little bit bigger on the picture, so if you want the bigger ones, they're available. Come and get it at the booth. $10 per picture for donations, or I may do it at $5, depending on which one it is. Because we are in a time crunch, because we have to bring J. Murray home via UP to BNSF, so we gotta get going, because it takes a week to get the car home. We gotta put it with 2926's rolling stock. So please help us get the J. Murray home. Scan the QR code on the screen. We need your help, guys. If you guys own Redwood Empire or any other cars and you don't know what to do with them, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to either buy it or you can donate to us. Link will be in the description down below. Just message me at extremerailfan@gmail.com to get a hold of me for the railcars. You can message me there. I'm on Facebook on the main group, but I don't usually check messages on there, but I do on my email. So just email me with your name, number, and if you have a rail car or not, and I'll talk to you on the phone. That way we can go over some stuff. Because right now with the Amtrak ban, I think some of these rail car people could fall and lose a lot of money. So let's try to get at least the cars home to a new location, so that way we can run them. Because if we can get the J. Murray here, any other rail cars, we'll be able to run behind 2926 when they do runs. So that would be good enough for us. Consider donating today. Help us out. And let's get these cars home. Let's try to do at least a 4-car train behind 2926. Behind the tool car. That way we're out there ready to go. And we'll take passengers down the road once we get everything certified, ready to go. So J. Murray only holds 12 at a time right now, so we'll be only holding 12. And once we have her home, we were gonna do a West Coast tour. That's on hold indefinitely right now. We're not gonna bother getting the car certified. I know it says certification, but that's when we found out we can't do that right now because the Amtrak's not doing it, so we're not going to do it that way. But I can say this: we're already at we're at 3,000 something right now in the account in total between the GoFundMe and the bank account. So we're doing good. Consider helping us today. Let's raise the funds. Who knows? If you can help me get it now raised before middle of August, beginning of September, we could get J. Murray home in time for Railroad Days and before the Santa Fe trip. So let's do it, guys. It's a historic lounge car worth saving, and it's going to be real cool. You're going to get to see it on the main. You'll see me and the team on there. We'll be out and about. So, and also at Railroad Days, at our booth, we will be doing meet and greets. So if you want to come meet us, come and meet us. You're welcome to come meet us, talk to us. If you want photos, we can do photos. Whatever you guys you like. to do. So that way you have it. Just make sure to tag Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation and give credit to us because we are trademarked and copyrighted. So, and we're based out of the state of New Mexico, so we're registered with New Mexico. So you want to be careful with anything and stuff. So just come and see us. Come say hi. Let's do it, guys. And we won't have tours yet of January because we don't have her. And we won't have her debuted at Railroad Days until we get the car unless we get the funds raised pretty quickly. Thanks again, everyone. Have a good day. We'll see you next time. Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation, out.